Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday and it is the 52-week money challenge this week. Let me know how you are doing. I think I am killing it. I am 1 week ahead, and let me know if you are on track or if you are behind or like 1-2 weeks ahead. I absolutely love knowing how y'all are doing. So today we are going to be knocking out one of our bigger bills. Now if I sound weird, it's just because I'm a little under the weather. No, it's not what everything's been going on. I do not have that. It's just a sinus headache, and mucus is building up on my chest and it just sucks. It really does. But anyway, so today we are putting 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. So we are putting $32 towards our money challenge this week. And if you are new, welcome. So this is how I do it. I don't know how my week is going to be until maybe 2 weeks before it's time to film the 52-week challenge. So I pick a number that I can do that week, whether it is a big bill or a little bill. And I just make it work, you guys. And you can do it however you want. So that is that. Let's see. While I'm coloring in, how are y'all doing? Like I said, I'm a little under the weather, but I am fine. I am still going to work because I work in the medical field and everything. I still have to go to work and, provide care and everything. But I just wanted to know how y'all are doing. And just to mention that this whole thing that's happening right now will pass. There's always a reason why everything happens for the reason. That's like my motto. Everything happens for a reason. And we will get through this time. And we just have to lift each other up, be supportive and everything. But anyway, so I'm just going to finish coloring it in. And I absolutely love coloring in because it just lets me know how much progress I have made since January 1st. All right, so we're going to take our little snowflake. And we are actually going to count everything. Let me get everything situated first. Let's see. I know a lot of people like their OCD, so they need the money a certain way. I really don't care, but I have gotten comments about it. So I'm just making my friends happy, Alright, so let's start counting and see how much we have after we added the $32. So that's 1, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So it's 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So $224 is how much we have, which is super exciting, you guys. And I'm just going to put it back into my little snowflake box. $224, and we did $32. So that is everything, and I hope y'all have a great week. Stay healthy, wash your hands, go to work if you can to earn a living, and I will see you guys later. Bye.